What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Drea Rose bringing you guys another video. And on today's episode of Cooking with Drea, we're gonna be doing the famous TikTok's viral chopped Italian salad or chopped Italian salad sandwich. I recently started seeing these videos going around on my For You page, and I'm like, yo, I have to try that. It's such a simple, quick recipe. Like, I'm sure it could be done under like 10 minutes. And I love the whole idea. Instead of setting up your sandwich and stacking it up, you just chop everything together at the same time and you're done. You just scoop it on your bread, girl. So that's exactly what we're gonna be whipping up today. And at the end, of course, we're gonna do a whole taste test and I'm gonna review this for you guys and let y'all know if I recommend or not. Alright guys, so this is everything you're going to need. The main ingredients is obviously the romaine, or you can also use iceberg lettuce. I got pepperoni, I got turkey pastrami, and then you have your cheese. I'm gonna be adding some carrots for some crunch. You're gonna need tomatoes, pickled onions, which you can also use pickled banana peppers. Your seasonings, you're going to need Italian seasoning, black pepper, and some salt. I am using Himalayan salt, some Duke's mayo, and most people are using the red wine vinegar, but I want mine's a little more creamier, so I am going to be adding some Caesar dressing. So literally we're just going to combine everything on this board and chop everything up. Alright guys, so first things first, we are gonna throw in our lettuce. And this is basically red leaf, green leaf, oat leaf, romaine, and buttered lettuce. Next, we're gonna add some ham. Alright, next we'll have some pepperoni. Oh my god. Let's add a little more. Go. Let's go ahead and add our tomatoes. Let's add our cheese. I am using the shredded Monterey Jack cheese with hatch green chili. Cheese. If you haven't tried it, go pick it up ASAP at Sam's Club. Which it looks like this, by the way. Okay. Our pickled onions. Some Duke's mayo. Some Caesar, the carrots are definitely optional, but because I have them, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw these in. Alright, a little bit of salt, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. So now we have literally all the ingredients put together. So now it's time to chop. And oh my god, where? I'll just start in the middle. I guess we'll do kind of like some lines. But you want to make sure it's very finely chopped. All right, we finna go crazy with it now. Oh my god, look how pretty this looks. And of course you have the option really to add anything you like. It doesn't have to be exactly like this one, of course. But this one's just the one that everyone says is delicious and it's like a must try, so. Wow, friggin' masterpiece. This looks so friggin' good. So I am done chopping it up and here is the final result, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a better close-up. Doesn't that look delicious? You cannot tell me it doesn't. Like, I'm actually not a big fan of salads, but this looks so good. And I already went ahead and did my little sandwich as well. I just toasted the bread a little bit. And you can also use like sub sandwiches. Really, you can use any type of bread because all you gotta do is just throw it in there. So yeah, I got an English muffin. Taste test, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it solo and then with the bread. Y'all, oh my god, I see why this salad is going viral. This is so good. Like, honestly, you don't even need the bread. It already tastes like you're eating a sandwich, literally. Dang! I'm so happy I tried this. Let's go ahead and try it with the sandwich. Oh my god. Alright y'all, from 1 out of 10, I give this baby a 10 with no doubt. Y'all saw how quick I did it. It's so good. I highly recommend. You get all the flavors in one bite. I now understand why it's going viral and I'm so glad I tried it because this is definitely a salad I'm gonna be doing all the freaking time. So guys, let me know what else you guys want me to make, want me to try, want me to review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, give your girl a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.